Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily change the background of any photo using CapCut. It's super simple, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to create amazing edits with just a few taps. So let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Tap on Import and select the photo you want to edit. Once it's in your timeline, you're ready for the next step. Now, tap on the photo in the timeline to bring up the editing options. Look for the Remove Background feature and tap it. CapCut will automatically detect and remove the background for you. Next, let's add a new background. Go to Overlay and select an image or video you want as your background. Resize it to fit the screen, then move your cutout image on top. Once your new background is set, adjust the lighting, contrast, and shadows to make it look more natural. You can also add effects, text, or animations to make it pop. And that's it! You've successfully changed a photo background using CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more awesome content, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.